Hello, my wonderful friends, and welcome back to ConvoEase. I am your host, Emma, and I am absolutely 100% happy that you are here today. Are you ready to feel inspired? Are you ready to take your English to the next level? Because in today's episode, we are diving into something that every single learner needs: motivation. We're going to talk about how to stay strong when things get tough, how to keep going when you feel tired, and how to actually enjoy the process of learning English, even when it feels like a massive mountain. Now, listen closely. In this video, I am going to speak slowly. I am going to use simple words, and I am going to repeat the most important ideas so you can understand everything easily. You can listen, you can repeat, and you can speak along with me. This is called shadowing. You listen to what I say, and then you repeat it right after me. Are you ready to start this journey today? Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders. Let's begin this together.
Let's start with a very important truth. Learning English is not easy. And you know what? That is okay. It is completely normal to feel tired. It is normal to feel like you are moving too slowly. But I want you to know something right now. You are not alone. Everyone who learns a new language needs time. You need time to listen. You need time to practice. You need time to truly understand. You need time to grow and to improve. Some days, learning English feels like a party. It's fun and exciting. But other days, it feels hard. That is just part of the journey. On the good days, I want you to celebrate your progress. And on the bad days, just keep going. Even small steps are good steps. You don't need to be perfect today. You don't need to speak at lightning speed. You don't even need to know every single word in the dictionary. You just need to try. Step by step, gently and slowly, you are doing something difficult, and you are doing it well. Think of learning English like climbing a mountain. Sometimes the path is flat and easy. Sometimes it is steep and rocky, and your legs feel heavy. There are moments when you might want to stop and just sit down, but I want you to do something. Look back. When you look back down that mountain, you will see how far you have already come. You have learned new words. You have practiced your listening. You have improved so much, even if you don't feel it every day. You are not at the bottom of the mountain anymore. You are climbing. You are getting stronger with every single breath. So don't give up. Some people climb fast, and some people climb slow. But we all need the same fuel: motivation. Motivation isn't always a loud, shouting voice. Sometimes it's a very quiet little voice inside you that says, "Try again. Don't stop. Just do one more minute." If you feel tired, it's okay to rest, but then come back. If you feel confused, just breathe, then try again. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to return to the mountain again and again. Now, I want to ask you a very big question. Why do you want to learn English? Take a second to think. Maybe it's for your career or a better job. Maybe it's because you want to travel the world and talk to everyone you meet. Or maybe you just enjoy the way the language sounds. Your reason is your power. Your reason is strong, and it will help you stay motivated when the mountain gets steep. Every single day that you practice, even if it's only for 5 minutes, you are moving forward. Even if you are just listening to this video, you are growing. You should be so proud of yourself. You are doing something that many people are actually afraid to do. You are opening a door to the entire world, and that takes massive courage. So please, stay patient. Stay kind to yourself. You don't need to be the fastest. You just need to continue. So Emma, how do I stay motivated when I'm busy or stressed? I hear you. Let's talk about 5 simple tips to keep you going. Tip number 1. Do just a little. You don't need to study for an hour every day. You don't need a huge lesson. Just do one small thing. Listen to English for 5 minutes while you drink your coffee. Read one short paragraph. Even 1 minute is better than 0 minutes. Learning English is about doing a little bit, again and again. Tip number 2. Remember your why. On those hard days, remember your reason. Why did you start? Say it out loud. I am learning English so I can travel. Write it down and keep it on your desk. Your reason is your fuel. It gives you energy when you feel tired. Tip number 3. Make it easy. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect mood. Make it easy to start. Leave your English book open on your table. Save a video on your phone. Set a timer for just 10 minutes. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is just to start. Once you start, the rest gets easier. Tip number 4. Be kind to yourself. Stop saying, "I'm so slow," or "I'm bad at English." Instead, I want you to say this: I am learning. I am trying. I am doing something difficult, and I am doing my best. You are human, and you are growing. You deserve kindness from yourself. Tip number 5. Celebrate small wins. Did you listen to English today? That's a win. Did you learn one single new word? That's a win. You don't need big results to be happy. Notice the small victories and smile at them. They really matter. Sometimes we study and study, but we feel like we aren't getting better. We ask, is this even working? Here is the truth. You are improving. You are better today than you were yesterday, even if you can't see it yet. Here are 4 ways to actually see your progress. Keep an English notebook. Write down new words or sentences you like. Even 1 sentence a day is enough. Later, when you read it back in a month, you'll be surprised. You'll see things that used to be hard are now easy. That is real progress. Record your voice. Use your phone. Say a few simple sentences like, "Hello, my name is Emma, and I'm learning English." Do it again next week and compare. You will hear your pronunciation getting better and your voice getting more confident. Notice the small things. Progress isn't always a test score. It's that moment you understand a sentence without thinking. It's the first time you watch a video without subtitles. Those are big wins. Look back, not forward. Stop looking at what you don't know. Look at what you could not do 2 months ago. Can you understand more of this podcast now than you could before? Then you are moving. Learning English is a journey, not a race. You don't need to finish first. Think of it like a long walk. Sometimes you go fast, sometimes you go slow, and sometimes you rest. And that is perfectly okay. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are how you grow. Think of a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times, but we don't tell the baby to stop. We smile and say, "Try again." You are doing the same thing. If you say the wrong word or forget a grammar rule, it is okay. Even native speakers make mistakes. Make it fun. Listen to music, watch short videos, or talk to yourself in the mirror. When you enjoy learning and smile, your brain actually remembers better. English is more than a class. It's a tool and a key. It connects you to over 1.5 billion people. No matter where you live, Brazil, Vietnam, Spain, Japan, or anywhere else, English connects you to the world. It gives you a way to be understood. It gives you more choices for jobs, travel, and your dreams. Every small step you take is opening a new door for your future. You did it. You made it to the end of this video. You gave your time and your energy to the most important person, yourself. English is more than a class. It's a tool and a key. It connects you to over 1.5 billion people. No matter where you live, Brazil, Vietnam, Spain, Japan, or anywhere else, English connects you to the world. It gives you a way to be understood. It gives you more choices for jobs, travel, and your dreams. Every small step you take is opening a new door for your future. You did it. You made it to the end of this video. You gave your time and your energy to the most important person, yourself. I am so proud of you. It doesn't matter if you speak slowly or if you feel shy. What matters is that you are showing up. You are building a skill that will change your life forever. Thank you for being part of the ConvoEase family today. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Kindly like and subscribe the channel. I'm Emma, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Keep climbing.